Welcome to Numismatic World, where we uncover the fascinating stories and hidden treasures behind the world's most remarkable coins. Today, we'll explore an extraordinary piece that has captivated collectors and set records in the numismatic universe. Let's dive in. The 1987 Roosevelt dime with the P Mint mark represents a continuation of the United States Mint's tradition of producing coins that embody both functionality and artistry. This coin, like others in the Roosevelt dime series, carries a rich history in a timeless design that reflects the values and culture of its era. To truly understand and appreciate this coin, one must explore its historical background, design intricacies, material composition, minting process, and its significance within the broader context of American numismatics. The history of the Roosevelt dime begins in 1946 when it was first introduced to honor President Franklin D. Roosevelt. Roosevelt's legacy as a leader during the Great Depression and World War II made him a revered figure in American history. However, it was his role in establishing the March of Dimes, a national campaign to combat polio, that directly inspired the decision to place his image on the dime. This choice served as a symbolic tribute to Roosevelt's personal battle with polio and his efforts to eradicate the disease. Designed by John R. Sinek, the chief engraver of the U.S. Mint at the time, the Roosevelt dime replaced the winged Liberty Head dime, commonly known as the Mercury dime, which had been in circulation since 1916. Sinek's design emphasized simplicity and modernity, qualities that have contributed to the coin's enduring appeal over decades. The obverse of the 1987 Roosevelt dime features a left-facing profile of President Roosevelt. His portrait captures a sense of dignity and determination, reflecting his role as a leader during some of the nation's most challenging times. The word "liberty" is boldly inscribed to the left of his profile, emphasizing the foundational value upon which the United States was built. Below his chin, the national motto, "In God We Trust," reinforces the nation's spiritual and moral convictions. The date, 1987, is prominently displayed at the bottom right, while the P Mint mark, denoting the coin's production at the Philadelphia Mint, is positioned just above the date. Sinek's initials, JS, are subtly placed at the base of Roosevelt's neck, marking the designer's signature on his work. The reverse of the coin is equally symbolic and thoughtfully designed. It features a torch in the center, flanked by an olive branch on the left and an oak branch on the right. Together, these elements symbolize liberty, peace, and strength, core values that resonate deeply with the American ethos. The torch's flame represents enlightenment and progress, while the branches reflect the balance of peace and resilience. Encircling the top edge of the coin are the words, "United States of America," emphasizing the coin's national identity. At the bottom, the denomination, 1 dime, is inscribed, clearly stating the coin's value. The national motto, "E pluribus unum," meaning, out of many, one, is prominently displayed across the center, reinforcing the idea of unity amidst diversity. The composition of the 1987 Roosevelt dime is a product of economic and practical considerations. In 1965, the U.S. Mint transitioned away from using silver in most circulating coins, including the dime, due to rising silver prices and the need to conserve precious metals. The 1987 dime follows the clad composition introduced at that time. Its outer layers consist of a copper-nickel alloy, containing 75% copper and 25% nickel, while its core is made of pure copper. This combination not only reduces production costs but also enhances the coin's durability, ensuring it can withstand the wear and tear of daily use. The copper-nickel clad composition also gives the coin its distinctive silvery appearance, which closely resembles that of earlier silver dimes. The Philadelphia Mint, responsible for producing the 1987 Roosevelt dime with the P Mint mark, has a storied history dating back to its establishment in 1792. By the 1980s, the Mint had evolved into a highly advanced facility equipped with state-of-the-art technology. The production of the 1987 dimes involved multiple stages, beginning with the creation of master dies. These dies, engraved with the coin's design, were used to produce working dies that struck the blanks to create the finished coins. High-speed presses were employed to strike hundreds of coins per minute, reflecting the efficiency and precision of modern minting techniques. Rigorous quality control measures ensured that each coin met strict standards, with defective pieces being culled to maintain the mint's reputation for excellence. Collectors and numismatists often seek the 1987 Roosevelt dime for its role in the series and its representation of modern American coinage. While the coin is not considered rare, its condition significantly influences its value. Coins graded as mint state, MS, by professional grading services are particularly desirable, with higher grades commanding premium prices. Factors such as luster, strike quality, and the absence of blemishes are critical in determining a coin's grade. The P-Mint mark adds a layer of intrigue, distinguishing these dimes from those produced at other facilities, such as the Denver, D, and San Francisco, S, mints. The Roosevelt dime series has played a pivotal role in fostering public interest in numismatics. By featuring a contemporary and widely admired figure like Franklin D. Roosevelt, the coin bridges the gap between history and modernity. It serves as an educational tool, teaching younger generations about Roosevelt's contributions to American society and the significance of the March of Dimes in eradicating polio. The series also highlights the evolution of coin design and production, offering insights into the technological and artistic advancements achieved by the U.S. Mint over the decades. From a design perspective, the 1987 Roosevelt dime embodies simplicity and elegance. John R. Sinek's portrayal of Roosevelt captures the president's resolute expression, conveying a sense of dignity in leadership. The reverse design, with its trio of symbolic elements, reinforces the ideals of liberty, peace, and strength that underpin the nation's identity. The careful balance of these elements speaks to Sinek's artistic vision and the enduring power of symbolism in American coinage. Over the years, the design has remained largely unchanged, a testament to its timeless appeal and the respect it commands among collectors and the general public alike. Examining the 1987 Roosevelt dime also offers insights into the broader economic and political climate of the United States during the late 20th century. The 1980s were marked by significant economic changes, technological advancements, and shifts in societal values. Coins like the Roosevelt dime served as everyday tools of commerce, facilitating transactions and symbolizing the stability of the nation's currency. The adoption of the copper-nickel-clad composition reflects the pragmatic approach of the U.S. Mint in responding to economic challenges while maintaining the integrity of its coinage. Additionally, the coin's widespread circulation underscores its role as a unifying element in a diverse and dynamic society. The production process of the 1987 Roosevelt dime involved meticulous craftsmanship and attention to detail. Each step, from the creation of master dies to the striking of individual coins, required precision and expertise. The master die, engraved with the coin's design, served as the template for producing working dies, which struck the blanks to create the finished coins. The blanks, made from sheets of the copper-nickel-clad material, were punched out, annealed, and cleaned before being fed into the presses. High-speed coining presses then struck the blanks with tremendous force, transferring the design onto the metal and producing the finished coins. Quality control measures included visual inspections and automated systems to detect defects, ensuring that only coins meeting the Mint's stringent standards were released into circulation. Collectors and enthusiasts often examine the 1987 Roosevelt dime for unique characteristics, such as errors and varieties. Minting errors, including off-center strikes, die clashes, and double dies, can significantly enhance a coin's value and appeal. These anomalies provide a glimpse into the complexities of the minting process and the challenges faced by the U.S. Mint in producing billions of coins annually. Varieties, such as differences in die markings or subtle design changes, add another layer of interest for numismatists. The search for these rarities adds an element of excitement and discovery to the hobby, fostering a deeper appreciation for the artistry and craftsmanship of coinage. The cultural significance of the Roosevelt dime extends beyond its role as a circulating coin. It has been featured in educational programs, numismatic exhibitions, and popular media, highlighting its status as a symbol of American heritage. The coin's association with Franklin D. Roosevelt and the March of Dimes underscores its relevance as a tool for promoting public awareness and social causes. By commemorating a leader who championed public health and social welfare, the Roosevelt dime embodies the values of compassion and progress. Its enduring presence in everyday transactions serves as a reminder of Roosevelt's legacy and the ideals he stood for. In conclusion, the 1987 Roosevelt dime with the P Mint mark is more than just a piece of currency, it is a reflection of America's history, culture, and values. Its design, composition, and production process illustrate the ingenuity and dedication of the U.S. Mint, while its symbolism and legacy continue to resonate with collectors and the public alike. As part of the larger Roosevelt dime series, the 1987 coin stands as a testament to the enduring power of numismatics to connect us with our past and inspire future generations. From its historical roots to its modern-day relevance, the 1987 Roosevelt dime remains a cherished and iconic piece of American coinage. The 1987 Roosevelt dime with the P Mint mark is a remarkable piece of modern American coinage that has gained significant attention in the numismatic community for its rarity and extraordinary value due to specific errors and unique characteristics. This dime, while a part of the regular Roosevelt series, stands out because of the unusual features that make it highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts alike. One of the primary reasons for the rarity of this coin lies in its minting errors, which have intrigued experts and hobbyists for decades. Among the most notable errors are double dies, where the design elements appear to be duplicated due to a misalignment during the striking process. Such errors create a striking visual effect, with features like Roosevelt's profile, the inscriptions, or the torch on the reverse showing a distinct doubling. These anomalies are relatively rare in the 1987 Roosevelt dime series, and their discovery often sparks significant interest among collectors, driving up the coin's value. The intricacy of these errors demonstrates the challenges faced by the mint in achieving precision and highlights the human element of coin production. Another fascinating aspect of the 1987 Roosevelt dime is the presence of off-center strikes. These errors occur when the blank planchet is not correctly aligned with the dies during the striking process, resulting in a coin with part of the design missing or shifted. The extent of the off-center strike greatly influences the coin's value, with more dramatic errors commanding higher premiums. Such coins are prized not only for their rarity but also for their unique appearance, which sets them apart from standard dimes. Collectors often view these off-center strikes as miniature works of art, each one bearing a unique story of the minting process gone awry. Die clashes represent another category of errors that contribute to the allure of the 1987 Roosevelt dime. These occur when the obverse and reverse dies strike each other without a planchet in between, leaving faint impressions of one die's design on the other. Coins struck using these damaged dies exhibit ghostly outlines of the reverse design on the obverse side or vice versa. These fascinating errors offer a glimpse into the complexities and occasional mishaps of the minting process, making them highly desirable to collectors. The ghostly impressions often evoke a sense of mystery, adding to the coin's appeal and making each piece a unique collectible. In addition to errors, certain varieties of the 1987 Roosevelt dime with the P Mint mark have become noteworthy. Varieties can arise from subtle differences in die preparation, such as changes in the placement of the mint mark or minor alterations in the design details. These varieties are meticulously documented and categorized by numismatic experts, providing enthusiasts with a treasure hunt for these elusive and distinct coins. The discovery of a new variety can significantly elevate a coin's status and value within the collecting community. The thrill of uncovering an undocumented variety continues to fuel the passion of collectors, ensuring that coins like the 1987 dime remain a focal point of study and admiration. The exceptional condition of a coin also plays a pivotal role in determining its value. Coins graded as mint state, MS, by professional grading services are particularly prized, with higher grades reflecting superior luster, strike quality, and the absence of blemishes. A 1987 Roosevelt dime in MS 67 or higher is a rare find, as even slight imperfections can lower a coin's grade. Collectors are willing to pay substantial sums for coins in pristine condition, especially when combined with the rarity of errors or varieties. The grading process itself is rigorous, with expert graders scrutinizing every detail under magnification to assign an accurate and fair evaluation. This meticulous process adds a layer of authenticity and prestige to high-grade coins, further elevating their desirability. The intrigue surrounding the 1987 Roosevelt dime reached its zenith when a specimen of this coin, featuring a unique combination of errors and exceptional preservation, was unveiled at a prestigious auction. This particular coin exhibited a remarkable double die error on the obverse, an off-center strike that highlighted the misalignment of the design, and faint die clash marks that added to its mystique. Furthermore, the coin was graded as MS-68, placing it among the finest known examples of its kind. Its impeccable condition and extraordinary features made it a centerpiece of the auction, attracting intense bidding from collectors and investors worldwide. The coin's provenance, traceable to a meticulous collector who had preserved it in a controlled environment, added to its appeal and ensured its place in the spotlight. As the bidding escalated, the true value of this numismatic gem became evident. The coin's unparalleled characteristics, coupled with its historical significance and aesthetic appeal, captivated the audience. Each bid seemed to underscore the coin's unique story, its journey from a routine minting operation to a record-breaking auction. In a stunning conclusion to the auction, the 1987 Roosevelt dime with the P Mint mark was sold for an astonishing $13 million, setting a new record for the series and solidifying its place in the annals of numismatic history. The final bid represented not just the coin's material value but also its symbolic significance as a testament to the artistry and unpredictability of coin minting. This remarkable sale underscores the enduring fascination with rare and unique coins, as well as the lengths to which collectors will go to acquire these pieces of history. The 1987 Roosevelt dime with the P Mint mark, once an ordinary piece of circulating currency, has transcended its original purpose to become a symbol of rarity, artistry, and the timeless allure of numismatics. Its story continues to inspire collectors and serves as a reminder that even the most modest of coins can achieve greatness under the right circumstances, transforming into treasures that capture the imagination and admiration of generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey into the world of rare coins. If this story amazed you, be sure to like, subscribe, and explore our other videos where we reveal more hidden treasures and stories from the fascinating world of collectible coins. Who knows, maybe there's $1 million find waiting for you in your own collection.